How to enable or disable keyboard click sound in iPad. So if you want to enable or disable the keyboard click sound or keyboard sound on your iPad, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your iPad. And once you're here on the iPad, you need to open up your settings application. So the first step you need to do is open up your settings app and then go for sounds and haptics or go for the sounds option. So once you open up your settings, you will have this kind of interface. You need to simply tap on sounds, and once you tap on sounds, you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for the bottom, scroll down, go for the bottom and tap on keyboard clicks. Once you're here on the keyboard clips, you need to simply toggle that off if you want to disable it, or if you want to enable it, simply toggle it on. And once you've done that, you will enable or disable your keyboard click sound in iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.